Are you ready?
Yes,
Say yes, I am.
I am.
Nice. All right, now tell me your name. What's your name?
I am Binge.
What is it? You're Bill. Okay, how old are you, Bill?
I'm 5 years old.
5. How are you today?
I'm happy.
You're happy. Now, what can you do? I can.
I can.
What can you do?
I can climb.
Climb? Wow. Can you climb like a monkey? Yes. All right, now what color do you like?
I like red.
Red. What's your favorite farm animal?
It's a sheep.
Nice. You say my
My
favorite
favorite
farm
farm
animal
animal
is
the sheep.
is a sheep. Okay, what day is it today?
It's Friday.
Nice. Today
Today
is
Friday.
Friday. Which day do you like the most? I like
like Friday.
the most.
The most.
Okay, you like Friday. All right, now let's have our poem. What's the name of this poem? What is the name of this poem?
Fire.
Is it a fire? Okay, this one is quickly.
Quickly.
Are you ready to read? Okay, look at here, please. Read the title.
Quickly.
Good.
A red fire truck
Drives.
quickly by. It's up to the fire, burning so high.
Nice. Bill, what drives quickly by? What drives quickly by? What is this?
A fire.
A fire what?
A fire truck.
Okay. A red
A red fire truck
drives.
quickly by.
That's good. All right. It's okay, never mind. All right, now let's have, do you know why? I'm going to ask you, Bill, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Bill, why is she reading a book?
Because
She likes.
likes
It's okay, never mind.
to read.
Good. Do you like to read?
No.
Nope. Why is he big and strong?
Because he is the man.
Good. Are you strong?
No.
You say again, because.
Because
Okay, now you read, please. Why are
and
they?
they running fast.
Mm-hmm.
Because he likes to swim.
Okay, because
Because they want to swim.
Okay, next.
Why
Why does
she
wear a? Look at here, please. A dress.
a dress?
Why does she wear a dress?
Because he is a girl.
Because she
Because
is.
She
Say it again. She is.
is the girl.
Okay, because she is
the
a
girl.
girl. Next. Why
Why
does
he have car?
So
he can
go
to the
work.
work.
Okay, next.
Why do
They want
the ball?
so
he can
they
have
so they can
play
play
a game.
a game. All right. Do you want to play a ball?
No.
You don't want? What do you want to play then?
No.
Nothing? Okay, now we have, what's the name of this chant? Yes?
We are.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you again, okay? Ready? Okay, what are you doing? Are you riding in a school bus?
No, we are. We are not.
Say, no, we aren't.
We are.
We are
are
not. Are you riding in a boat?
Yes, we are. We are.
We are riding
in a boat.
boat. Very good. Now you read. What
What
are
are
you
doing? Are you
coloring
coloring in a
your
book?
your books?
Book?
Mhm.
No, we are.
No, we aren't.
No, we aren't.
Mm. We.
We are not.
Mhm. Are you
Are you
writing
writing in a
in your
book?
workbooks?
Yes, we are. We are
writing
in
our
workbook.
workbooks. Are you sleepy?
No.
Are you sleepy? You're
No.
not. All right, now let's have what comes. What is the name of this song? What
Come
comes
to change
after
after
10?
10.
Okay, Bill, what comes after 10?
11.
That's good. What comes after 13?
14.
Nice. What comes after 18?
19.
Great job. Now, can you count 1 to 20? Yes or no? Can you count 1 to 20? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now you count.
And
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
16,
17, 18, 19, 20,
20.
20.
Okay, almost there. All right, that's good. All right, now let's have guess who. Okay, now Bill, who is this?
It's a farmer.
Okay, what does a farmer do?
The
A farmer grow. Look at here, please. Grow the food that
people eat.
good. All right, now who is this, Bill?
In the milk
A
carrier.
mail carrier. What does a mail carrier do?
The milk carrier
Put
put the milk
in
in
your
a box.
mailbox.
Mailbox.
Okay, next, who is this?
In the doctor.
A doctor. What does a doctor do?
The doctor.
Look at here, please. Helps you
Do
when
when you're
hurt.
hurt or sick.
Okay. Who is this?
In a neck.
Is a nurse. Okay, what does a nurse do?
The nurse
Help you
help you when you sick.
yes, when you don't feel well. Okay, last one. Who is this?
It's a firefighter.
Firefighter. What does a firefighter do?
The firefighter
Put
the
big.
big fire out.
Good. All right. Put big fires out. Okay. Bill, what do you want to be? You want to be a firefighter, a doctor, a nurse? What do you want to be?
I want a police officer.
Police officer. All right, now let's have, what is this? What's the name? Right
Right now,
Okay, I'm gonna ask you, Bill, what do you see?
I see a fire.
Where is the fire?
The fire at my
House.
house.
Who do you want?
I want a firefighter
Why do you want him?
to take
To put the
out the fire
when do you need him?
right now.
Very good. Right now. Give it to me, please. Okay, now. Oh, we're done. So fast. Okay. Now let's have the story. What is the name of the story, Bill? Look at here. Marvin's. Uh-oh. Excuse me. Are you okay? You need water later. What is the name of the story? Marvin's Friends. Marvin's Friends. Okay, now ready?
The fish is long. The neck is longer.
And
The alligator
the alligator.
is the longest one of all.
Good.
The giraffe is tall. The elephant is tall. The giraffe is the tallest one of all.
Nice.
The cat is loud. The duck is the loudest. The lion is the loudest one of all.
Nice. Next.
The bear is
Panda
the panda is slower.
is slow.
It's slow. The turtle is the slower.
And
The caterpillar is the loudest one of all.
is the slowest one of all. All right, now Bill, what is slow? What is slow, Bill?
It's the panda.
Nice. You say the
The
panda
panda
is
is the
slow.
slow.
What is slower?
It's the turtle.
Nice. You say the turtle
It's the
is
slower.
slower.
It's the
Is
slower.
slower. And what is the slowest one of all?
Caterpillar.
Is
Caterpillar.
the slowest.
One of all.
Okay, we're almost done. Sit nicely, please. Okay, this time let us read. You point down. You start with my
My
dog
dog
is
bird
big.
Big.
Here, big.
big.
Next,
The
my
the
dog.
Dog.
Do it nicely, please. Dog
dog is
is
it
what is this?
long
Red.
red.
Okay. Next one.
My dog
Mhm.
is
and
the
yes, and I have
have
fun.
fun.
Okay. Next. We
We have fun.
okay. We have
We have
fun.
fun.
Okay. Next. The
The
point, please. The
cat
very good.
is
On
on
the
ball.
ball. That's good. It
It
is
it is
on
the
this one. Big.
big
What is that? They're the same. Big ball.
ball.
Okay. That's it for today, Bill. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.